Hi everybody! So this video is going to be about preparing mangoes. I recently went back on a trip back east to go visit my family, and I apparently ate a few mangoes more than most people do because I quickly prepared it, and everybody that I was with was quite impressed about how I was able to prepare a mango. And I'm just like, I thought back to it and how I used to not eat a lot of mangoes, and it was because I didn't know what to do with this thing. Like, it confused me. It's a mango, but I love them. They're so good. They're so high in vitamin C and A and K. So basically I am going to do a video on how I prepare my mangoes. So here we are with the mango on a plate, and I'm gonna grab a cutting board and a knife. So I got this one. I don't have many knives because I'm super minimalistic. So basically what we do is we take the mango and we look at the mango. And if you notice, there's like a thinner, eggy, it's kind of like an egg shape. So first we're going to wash the mango. Wash the mango, dry the mango. The skins go for my rabbits. So everything is just all happy. So we have the mango, and we have this like stem pit thing. So what I like to do is I start on the stem pit thing. My knife sucks. Maybe I should invest in more knives. Alright, I got it. So, and now you just slide the knife around the edge of the stem pit thing. Alright. The napkin, I'm just going to put the peel is for the rabbits. Alright, so we went around it, and then we have two sides of this thing and a pivot. So then what we do is I do this maneuver where I go around, and I just kind of like do it in one piece, basically. So, ta-da! There's one. Alright, and now we're going to do the same thing for the other side. We're going to start over here. Oops. And you can kind of peel it too. You don't get it in one piece, that's cool. I'm leaving a bunch on there. The side's thicker, it's great. The rabbits are going to love it. Alright, you got the mango. Now, it's a lot of mango juice. Alright, now remember how we said it was like ovular egg shaped? We have the longer side and then we have the flatter side. So inside of this mango is a pit, and what is on either side. So what we're going to do is we're going to slice as close as we can to the pit on either side, going down the middle. So vertically, right? Down the middle. So we take our mango and we hold it careful, and we just like go on one side of the pit, look down, right? Hi, kitty. It's not the cat just likes to meow, so just ignore her. And then we go down the middle, right? Alright, so what's left is these slices of mango right here, I'm going to put them on the plate. Because that's the point I'm going to do. And then we have this, like, core thing going on. Right? The core. There is more mango on this core, which I will go and I'll chop off, and I'll chew off, right, in little pieces. Oh my god, it's so good. I love mango. That's pretty much it. I mean, alright, so you cut off the pieces yourself. Now, if you're preparing this for like mango salsa or something like that, now we have this mango over here. And this, we just basically go down. You can slice it and dice it. How I cut it is I just slice it like that. A little bit of mango. And the bigger pieces I cut in half. There you go. Mango. Ooh, careful. Don't lose your mango while trying to show everybody. Alright, everybody. I hope you enjoyed my mango preparation video. See y'all later. Now to give the bunnies this and enjoy. Alright, bye now.